Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce you to a new feature called Discover in Google Notebook LM. On the left hand side of the screen, next to Add, you see an option called Discover. Once you click on Discover, it will take you to this particular screen. It says, what are you interested in? Describe something you would like to learn about, or click I am feeling curious to explore a new topic. So let's say for example you have you know you have uploaded these documents or information into the sources and you have done some research. You have done some research and you got some details or valuable ideas or thoughts. Now you would like to research more. You would like to research more and you would like to find more details on internet. Now what you need to do is you have to simply click on discover, and here it says describe something you would like to learn about. You can simply type I am very interested about, let's say, Dostoevsky books, and I would also like to find information about his other books. Okay, the prompt is I'm very interested about Dostoevsky books and I would also like to find information about his other books. So I want to find details about other books for my research purpose. I'm going to click submit. Let's see how it goes. Now it is looking for the sources on the internet. It is trying to look for all the data that we have on the internet about this author or writer Dostoevsky. So it says Fyodor Dostoevsky. This is Wikipedia. Discover a comprehensive overview of Dostoevsky life and major works. Dostoevsky. Access a detailed bibliography of his novels, stories and other writings. And this is explore community discussions on Dostoevsky's less famous work and their value. This is from Reddit. This is from Books Run, Fyodor Dostoevsky's book worth to read first. So you can go through all these details. You can go through. See, there is a document as well about this particular author. So you can go through all these details and you feel like, okay, I just need this source. This is more than important for my research. All you need to do is you have to make sure that you select this particular source and make sure you select this particular source, and you can uncheck all the other sources. Okay, and then you need to click on import, and it will import that particular source into your list of sources. In this way, what you are doing is you are not going outside Notebook LM to fetch for new information. All you need to do is you need to click on discover and you can type a simple prompt, and then Google Notebook LM will fetch all the information from internet about this particular topic or author or whatever it is. From that you can look for the information that is more accurate for you, and then you can select that and you can submit, and it will add you to the list of sources. Since I have added Dostoevsky's Wikipedia information, now I'm going to say something like, can you please share details about Fyodor Dostoevsky. Okay, I'm going to hit enter and see how it goes. Now it is going to look from the sources and it is going to fetch the details about this particular writer or author. If you see now, it is giving details about this author. Okay, this author is from 1821 to 1881. 1881 was a highly influential Russian novelist. short story writer, essayist, and journalist. His early life and education. Born in Moscow on November 11th, 1821, Dostoevsky was the second child of Mikhail Dostoevsky and Maria Dostoevskaya. So you're getting all the details about this particular author. Let's say, for example, you just want to know his birthday. His birthday. What's his? What's his birthday? Let's see how it goes. See, it says Fyodor Dostoevsky was born on November 11, 1821. What's his most famous book? Based on the sources, Dostoevsky's most famous book, often called his magnum opus, is The Brothers Karamazov. It was his last novel published 1 year before his death in 1881. So, it is fetching the information and it is giving accurately what you are looking for. So, this is the beauty of Notebook LM. You don't have to go through 5,000, 6,000 pages. All you need to do is type a simple prompt and it is going to fetch the information from the sources that you have uploaded. Okay, it is not going to hallucinate or it is not going to fetch information from other blogs on the internet. It is going to fetch information only from the sources that you have uploaded. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.